What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Jealous Brat Leaves New Family to Harass Her Ex, Doesn't End Well. Man, let's get into the video, man. Let's see what they talking about.
Today on Uncovered, officers were called to trespass a woman who wouldn't stop causing problems at her ex's restaurant. When she does it again after their warning and tries breaking into her ex's car, they teach her a lesson she won't forget.
Right shore. You don't want to come here. She
always makes trouble.
All tires.
She speak English? I speak a little bit. She say a lot of bad words to one guy. The security in here, they have relation before. That's why she went to fight with him all the time.
You know where she lives? She lives a little dry.
I think so.
She's very...
Is she here with anybody?
The officers struggle to communicate clearly with the woman as she doesn't seem to speak English. With the help of the owners, they explain that she is no longer allowed on the premises and must leave. The woman, being extremely intoxicated, refuses to leave without the chance to talk to her boyfriend, who is working at the back patio of the establishment.
Déjame. You're not allowed back in. You're done.
Déjame.
You're not allowed back in there.
El dueño está ahí.
Step back. Tranquilo, don't do that.
No,
don't do
también
that.
tú no metes.
You're gonna go on
Dame.
You wanna go on handcuffs? Is that what you wanna do?
Dame.
Back off. You're drunk.
After another failed attempt, the woman walks away. About 7 minutes later, officers catch her trying to enter the restaurant again from the back patio where her ex is working.
No, váyase.
You leaving?
Sí.
Okay. Adiós. Buena suerte.
Maldita, ese hombre es mi marido, perra. No más eso te digo, es todo lo que digo.
Can I give you a ride?
No, es mi marido, perra.
Where do you live?
Verde.
¿Dónde vive?
Perra, no tienes nada que ver ahí.
Señora, ¿dónde vive? Huh?
The officer witnesses the suspect approach her ex's truck to try and break inside of it.
Hey, all right.
Yeah, she gotta go. She gotta go, man.
Okay.
She gotta go.
I don't care. I don't care.
Por favor, no me tampoco.
No. Hey.
Okay, déjame.
Déjame. You tried to break into somebody.
Okay, déjame, mi hija. Déjame, pues.
Mira, come.
No.
Cálmate, señora.
Déjame.
All right.
Maldito negro, tú me estás faltando respeto a mí. Por favor, déjame. Yo...
Hey. Listen. We see a lot of guys crashing out, man, over that kitty cat, man. You know what I'm saying? If a chick got that fire, man, it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's like a warm apple pie. But anyway, damn, she going crazy for the, you know what I'm saying? Now, bro got her crashing out. So, you know, she can't, that's her ex, she can't live without it. You know what I mean? Like, that's what it be like, man. When you laying it down, when you laying that wood down, man. When you laying that wood down, man, it's just like, and then they, you know, you eventually split and move on or whatever. Listen, if it was fire, you know, give the man his props. He did his thing. Clearly he did his thing, because she crashing out right now. She going to jail, all right? Over this. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a fact. This is a fact, man. It's like you can see in her eyes, it's like she looking, but nobody home. It's a wrap. It's like nothing, you know?
Es mi marido.
I need another unit here. I got one detained.
Me vale.
All right, you're gonna be detained.
Déjame.
That's it. Mira.
Okay.
Cálmate.
Déjame.
Cálmate.
Yo me subo, déjame.
Cálmate,
Déjame.
Hey.
Déjame, pues yo me subo.
¿Qué pasa?
Déjame.
I can let you break somebody's...
Déjame.
That's it.
Imagine your vehicle is the other vehicle, is the black vehicle.
Déjame.
That thing getting all dinged up and stuff.
Por favor,
She tried to break into this stuff. That's going to be easy for me. Attempt to. She's on.
Ay, perro. Déjame, pues. Déjame, yo me brinco sola.
All right. Oh. Okay. She done. She done. She done.
Déjame, no me puedes dar. Déjame. No me puedes, perro. Déjame. Aunque me prende el perro.
We tried with it before. Relax.
No,
Good job.
no me voy a mandar, maldito.
Look, my man represented for them boys out there, man. My boy represented for the boys, got her crashing out. That's a fact. Salute to that brother right there, man. He represented for the boys. You know what I mean? Listen, he must have really showed out, man. Pause on that. You know what I mean? No Diddy, all that. You know what I mean? But just, you know, my commentary. You know, she crashing out.
She slipped in his car. I got the chain.
No me voy a,
Hold on. I got the chain in my bag. Nah, I got it.
no me voy a brindar.
Come here, relax.
No,
Sit her up.
cierra esa perra. No. Me los van a demandar, desgraciados. Mucho.
After apprehending the subject, the officers speak with the ex-boyfriend's friend to show him the damage before they transport her for booking.
She hit it here, but she didn't break it.
They break it. They do.
Where?
They break it.
Move.
They break it, right?
No, she was hitting it here.
But they break it. She break it.
It's all her rolling.
How do you know? Was it like that before or no?
No, it's not. It's not before.
It wasn't like that?
No.
You know the truck?
I know my friend.
All right, call your friend. Have your friend come to the station.
Sure.
Whoever the boyfriend or...
I will.
Yeah, like right now, because we need to confirm that. Because I saw her, she was hitting it here. She wasn't hitting it there, though.
Yeah,
all right.
She did.
She did that as well?
Yeah.
So I didn't see her do that. She was hitting here with her phone. So that's why I like tried to detain her. So
I appreciate it, man. I swear. I'm sorry.
yeah, have your friend come to
I'm gonna tell.
because we're gonna have to release her to somebody.
Yeah.
All right.
I
Do you
will.
know her family, man?
Her? No.
Yeah. You don't know her family? Okay. Yeah, nah. Yeah, I'm good. I got you, Stephen.
Okay.
Yeah, she.
See, yeah. I know what type of vibe this was. She was probably a regular or something like that at the club or a restaurant, whatever they're at. And you know, he ended up taking it down and stuff. You know, he probably friends with benefits type of vibe, because the fact that he said he don't know her family or nothing like that, that just tells me, you know, after he get off work or whatever, he let her slide on through, you know what I'm saying? Beat it up and send her on her way. You know what I'm saying? Hey, fellas, you know what time it is, man. You know, send her packing. Yeah, that's how that go. But maybe she wanted a little bit more or something or whatever. Because sometimes you can't, it's very iffy. You know what I'm saying? You got to be with a chick that's on the same type of timing, because if they're not, then you could be like misleading them. And, you know, you telling them sweet nothings and everything for them to, you know, whatever. And she might end up catching feelings or whatever. And it turns into this mess. But I could tell on his side of things, it wasn't that serious. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't serious. You don't know her family. You don't know none of that. So it's like, and he was like, no. So, you know, crazy joint or whatever. But, you know, hey, beat it up and send her packing. You know that? You know how that go?
She assaulted my officer, so that's, you know, drunk. I was trying to, you know, calm her down.
We escorted her out the front.
The deputy also fills in his sergeant on the initial counter with the suspect.
She tried to go back in there, I grabbed her by the arm, we escorted her out. And we're like, no. She's like, rah. And I was like, don't do that. So she shot me twice.
Yeah, next.
So I let her slide.
Nah. Yeah, we'll talk about that. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, don't talk about that too much on camera now.
Aquí está tu chancla.
Sí. Por favor, desátame porque...
Sí.
Suéltame.
Siéntate, señora. Siéntate.
Ay, no. Voy a ayudar.
Siéntate.
No.
Siéntate.
Mira.
Ya.
No es necesario, perro. Ya, vete a la verga, perro. Vete a la verga, mi hija me está esperando más de vendo, mijo. No, I just want to go to the bathroom. No. I just want to go to the bathroom. Okay, let me go to the bathroom.
Yeah, are you gonna calm down?
Yes.
Okay, just give me 1 second, okay?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second, okay?
Yes.
All right, gracias. You're gonna go, okay?
Yes.
I'll raise your hand.
Uno
She
momento.
understands English. You're gonna go, okay?
Yes.
But we have to process you 15, 20 minutes, okay? Maybe a little longer. You're gonna use the bathroom, okay? We're gonna process you and you're gonna go.
Yes.
You're not staying here. All right? Unless, no, this is Pleasantville. Okay? All right, you're gonna go ahead and use the bathroom, okay?
I just want to go to the sale. No quiero. Por favor.
El pie or la mano. It's a rule that you have to have one arm. So we're gonna have one arm free, one arm for each cup. We're gonna have a couple make it bigger. Two cups. We're gonna put 2 cups in.
Give me some more space.
We need more space.
We got 3 charges for assault officers. Stop hitting me! You're going to your head, girl. Stop that!
Calm down.
Give me your hand. Now, hold up. Give me the hand. Give me the hand. No. Lock it up. Give me the hand. You have to go. Okay. I know, but I'm trying not to. Not bite. Relax. Okay. Relax. No. Stop hitting me. You're not allowed to hit me.
No.
Yes. Enough. You done?
No.
Yeah.
Man. My drunk ass keep hitting him, man. But if he punch her in her shit, nah, he wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. People shouldn't be hitting nobody, man. You know, like, come on, man. And if she doing this to an officer, just imagine a regular guy. Now I see why bruh was she just a late night slider. That's it. You know, lady, sorry. You know, not everybody could be not everybody could get that girlfriend title, or that real serious relationship. Sometimes, you just gotta be a late night slider. That's it. And ladies, I know y'all, y'all got y'all dudes that y'all be hitting up. You know what I'm saying? When that toy battery get burnt out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all try to hit up. Hey, I get it. I get it. Not everybody is meant for that boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife status. Some guys and some girls just gotta stay in that late night sneaky link. You know what I'm saying? That when I'm bored, convenient type lane, and she definitely one of those, But I don't even know if I will put her in the late night category just because she's too crazy. listen, it can't be that fire for me to be going through this. You know what I'm saying? You get a couple drinks and you start bugging out. I can't be going through that, man. You supposed to be my stress reliever, you know? Nah. Look, she beating up on the police and everything, man. Come on now. You know she hitting on the regular guys. If she gonna do it to the cops, she gonna do it to regular guys, man. So I completely support my boy for letting her go.
Can I talk to you?
Outside. This way.
You know what he did to me?
After this, she still don't go to the county. That's crazy.
Come on, sir.
This gotta be a small town or something, because this is...
Voy a demandar. Y dile a él que le
This
voy a
is
demandar.
explain to Mariana. No, she speaks English. Huh?
No, that my daughter don't.
Okay.
My daughter.
You speak English, sir?
No.
Can you explain
Whatever.
to
I already explained about the warrant.
No.
yeah, so make sure she goes to court,
Muy
okay?
importante que ella vaya a la corte.
Yeah, make sure she goes.
Don't broke my daughter.
Okay, no problem. She don't want us to talk to her daughter. Her daughter is a juvenile. Yeah, just let him know.
Es muy importante que ella vaya a la corte en Atlantic City.
Anyway, yo voy a demandar. Dile.
Si él no vaya,
She gonna get another warrant, okay?
es muy importante que tú vayas.
Dile a él que voy a demandar a esta ciudad. Lo que el señor me hizo adentro.
Okay. This is for him. No, this is for him. Yeah, for his receipt.
That's mine.
No, he paid the money. That's for
Este
him.
es
There.
un documental.
All right. Okay.
Right. Voy a escuchar eso a él.
Okay. There is complaint explained on. We're doing the complaint. We're gonna come and give it to her overnight tonight.
Nosotros vamos a
So she's getting charged for breaking the car, breaking the window.
Ella tiene algunos cargos.
Okay. All right. We'll come drop it off. We just want her to get her out of here. Go home. Okay. Go get some sleep. All right. Thank you, sir. Gracias. All right.
The suspect was charged with criminal trespassing, 2 counts of assault on an officer, resisting arrest, and disorderly intoxication. Let us know how you felt.
Honestly, man, that's BS, bro. She need to go to the county. She was still down there acting a fool, man. At least overnight. Y'all let her go and she's still drunk. You know what I mean? Like, oh man, that was horrible. I ain't gonna lie. That she can't control her liquor. Hey, you gotta know your lane, man. You a late night slider. That's it.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.